When it comes to keeping track of your vehicle, whether for added security, monitoring loved ones, or managing a fleet, having a reliable GPS tracker can make a world of difference. The challenge is finding a device that combines accuracy, ease of use, and a range of smart features to suit your specific needs. Today, we're breaking down 7 of the best car GPS trackers available right now to help you make the right choice for peace of mind, safety, and convenience. And don't worry, I've included links in the description below so you can check prices or buy the one that suits you best. Let's dive into each option and explore what sets them apart. First up, the Salend 11 4G tracker is a solid choice for users seeking reliability and performance in a sleek, compact design. This tracker offers real-time tracking over a 4G network, which provides extensive coverage and an ultra-fast signal. One of the standout features of the Salend 11 is its impressive battery life. Unlike many other devices that need frequent recharging, this tracker is equipped with a battery that can last several days on a single charge, making it highly convenient for those who don't want to worry about constant maintenance. The device comes with a convenient app that's user-friendly, allowing you to easily monitor your car's location and set up geofencing alerts to notify you when the vehicle enters or exits specific areas. The Salend 11 is a versatile tracker that works well in urban and rural settings, making it a great all-around choice for users looking for a dependable GPS tracker for longer road trips or everyday use. Next is the Tracky Mini GPS Tracker, a highly versatile, pocket-sized device that's perfect for those who want a compact yet powerful tracking solution. Tracky's compact design makes it easy to attach to your car without being noticed, and it's also portable enough to carry with you for other tracking purposes, such as hiking or traveling. Tracky's global coverage feature makes it stand out as one of the few GPS trackers capable of working worldwide, with support in over 180 countries. This device provides real-time updates as frequently as every 15 seconds, so you can keep a close watch on your vehicle's location. The Tracky Mini also comes with a waterproof magnetic case, which is perfect for attaching it to various surfaces securely, including underneath your car or on metallic surfaces. Another major benefit is its affordability, offering excellent value for budget-conscious buyers who want quality without a high price tag. Moving on to the Bouncy GPS Car Tracker, this device takes tracking a step further with its OBD plug-in design, allowing it to draw power directly from your car. Unlike battery-operated trackers that may require regular recharging, the Bouncy tracker continuously powers itself through the car's OBD port, so you never have to worry about it running out of battery. Bouncy goes beyond basic GPS tracking by offering insights into your car's health and performance, making it ideal for users interested in vehicle diagnostics. With Bouncy, you can monitor factors like fuel level, speed, braking patterns, and more. This makes it a fantastic option for parents who want to track young drivers or for employers who need a fleet management solution with insights into driver behavior. The app is straightforward to use and provides real-time tracking updates, which are especially helpful for busy families or small businesses. Bouncy's wide range of data makes it one of the most comprehensive trackers on this list, giving you a complete picture of your vehicle's location and status at all times. The KO GPS tracker is designed with durability and high performance in mind, making it an excellent choice for those who need a tracker that can handle tough conditions. The KO tracker uses a 4G connection to deliver precise real-time updates, even in remote areas where signal coverage can sometimes be a challenge. This device is also equipped with a long-lasting battery, so it's built for extended use without the need for constant recharging. Additionally, KO's app offers easy-to-use tools for setting up geofencing zones, speed alerts, and other custom notifications, making it highly customizable for specific tracking needs. The rugged design is great for people who drive in diverse environments, such as off-road or construction sites, and need a tracker that will keep working reliably. With its robust build and reliable signal, the KO GPS tracker provides peace of mind for those who prioritize durability and reliability, even in challenging conditions. For those looking for a well-established tracker with a reputation for accuracy, the Spytek GL300 GPS tracker is a solid contender. Spytek has long been recognized as a leader in GPS tracking technology, and the GL300 lives up to this reputation. This device is known for providing accurate, real-time tracking that can be customized to send updates every few seconds, making it ideal for users who need detailed tracking data. One of Spytek's standout features is its powerful tracking app, which allows you to monitor multiple devices simultaneously. a feature that makes it an excellent choice for families or businesses managing several vehicles. The GL300's battery life is also commendable, lasting up to 2 weeks on a single charge depending on usage, making it convenient for long-term tracking needs. The app includes options for setting up geofences, alerts, and even historical route tracking, so you can keep a detailed record of your vehicle's locations. Overall, Spytek's accuracy and comprehensive app functionality make it a top choice for anyone looking for a professional-grade GPS tracker. The Landair C54 GPS tracker offers a more minimalist approach, with a compact design and user-friendly features. This device is both waterproof and magnetic, making it extremely versatile and easy to place in or on a vehicle. It's particularly suited for those who want a simple, no-fuss tracking experience. The Landair C54 provides real-time location updates with intervals that can be set according to your preferences, so you're always in control of how frequently you receive location updates. This GPS tracker is known for its reliability and precision, ensuring that you can count on it when it matters most. The magnet on the Landair C54 is strong enough to attach securely under a vehicle, making it a discreet choice for those who prefer not to have the device visible. This simplicity, combined with its weather-resistant design, makes the Landair C54 a great choice for users who want straightforward, reliable tracking without the need for extra features. Finally, the TK Star PS110 rounds out our list as a budget-friendly yet effective GPS tracker. Known for its reliability, the TK Star PS110 includes real-time tracking, geofencing, and customizable alerts. It's also equipped with a strong magnetic mount, making it easy to install and keep securely in place. This tracker is ideal for those who want essential GPS tracking without breaking the bank. With a reasonable battery life and straightforward app interface, the TK Star PS110 provides all the core functionality you need to monitor your vehicle effectively. The device's affordability and reliable performance make it a solid choice for anyone looking to add a layer of security to their car without spending too much. The TK Star PS110 is perfect for individuals who want simple, budget-conscious tracking with the flexibility of magnetic mounting for easy placement. In summary, each GPS tracker on this list brings something unique to the table. If you're looking for premium coverage in remote areas and need a long-lasting battery, the Salend 11 4G tracker is a fantastic option. For those who want a versatile, compact device that can handle multiple tracking needs, the Tracky Mini GPS tracker stands out with its worldwide coverage and powerful functionality in a small package. Bouncy's OBD-based design is perfect for users interested in vehicle health diagnostics and tracking data, especially for parents or business owners managing multiple drivers. The KO GPS tracker, with its rugged design, is built for durability in harsh conditions, while Spytek's GL300 offers professional-grade accuracy and customizable tracking options that are ideal for family or business use. The Landair C54 provides simplicity and ease of use with its waterproof, magnetic design, and the TK Star PS110 is a top choice for anyone on a budget looking for basic, reliable GPS tracking. Each of these devices caters to different needs, so whether you prioritize budget, battery life, portability, or advanced features, there's a tracker on this list for you. Remember, you can find links in the description below to check out more details or buy the one that fits your requirements. If you found this comparison helpful, please subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on notifications for more reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.